Hello everyone, I'm Poona and you are watching PharmaWiki YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss an awesome topic which will be very helpful for every student who is looking for a help. And this is, yes, part-time jobs and earning methods for the students. Especially this video is for all the students who really need financial support. Okay, this works where we are discussing can be done without any investment, like it's exactly zero investment we can say. Okay, before we start, let us see what we will discuss in this video at a glance. Number one, what are the different ways of earnings for the students? Number two, when and how much time you need to do the part time? And third point is how to manage both job and studies. Okay, let's see one by one about these things and you will get awesome information for sure when you have never heard of. Okay, I will reveal most interesting and easy earning ways and part-time jobs for students which no one has ever revealed in their videos. Watch till end to get all the secret methods and consider subscribing the channel if you are first time visitor. Let's start. Many students, almost 70% of Indian students are not financially content as per the scientific surveys. So many needs part-time jobs along with their studies. Earning while you are learning is never a tough job. Yes, do have the confidence of managing both job and studies because once you know how to manage both, you are a successful student with good pocket money for your needs in your hands. Let's discuss 25 plus earning opportunities for students. These methods will not eat up your time much, but still you can have handful of bucks at your hand. The new methods and secret methods I will reveal at the last, so watch till end. Number one, content writing. Yes, content writing, you have heard about this many times, but you will get to know a different vision of this content writing in this video. Don't think I will just give you the name of the method, but I will also show you how to do it or where to get this content writing jobs. Content writing is the most common word we use now. As per the name says, you need to create content. You need to write something on some topics. Many websites and bloggers hire writers to write their content. You need to write about the topic they have given and number of words to write, and the topics will be given by them and they will pay you per word basis. The price starts from 20 paisa to 50 or 30 paise or 50 paise to 1 rupee per word, and even more as per your skill, knowledge and written communication. Okay, the price is, if you write a 1,000-word article, let's take an example. If you write a 1,000-word article at 50 paise per word, okay, you will get around 500 rupees per article. If you write one article per day and only work for 20 days in a month, then you can earn 10,000 rupees per month with this. And all you need to do is to invest only around 2 to 3 hours to write a 1,000-word article. Okay, so this will be more flexible job for students and a better opportunity to manage both job and studies. Okay, this will be easy, and also this will not only you will get the money, but also you will get the knowledge and your writing skills improves a lot from this. Secret part which no one will tell you in this content writing is that content writing has many phases. There are different types of content writing. The content you write for blogging, blogs, websites, and then content you write for the social media is another part, like social media content management we call it. And academic content writers, you'll write the academic assignments of other students who are working, who are studying abroad or something, and native content writing. Okay, these are different sorts of content writing. Academic content writing will give you more bucks, but the job is a really little hard to find. But if you find someone who are providing you a content academic writing job, then this will fetch you more money than you ever think. Do you know, you may wonder where to get these jobs. Yeah, you can get these jobs through websites, Facebook groups, blogs, blogging communities, forums, and even OLX or something. Everywhere these jobs are displayed, but you need to do a rigorous work before you find a perfect job. Okay, and you have to be careful with the providers who is giving the job, and you have to know the tactics for this. And if you need more about this content writing jobs, do comment us below, so that I will do another full-fledged full-fledged video on it. That's all about content writing for now. And next, second one is sell your knowledge. Yes, in this there are two types of things you can do it. Creating, number one is that creating your own product and selling them, and second one is tutoring. In the first one, you can create your own product, like even your subjects. If you are good at some math or anything, even your class notes, you can prepare your notes and sell to other kids who really want them for a minimum price. Okay, in this you can have if you give it a thought about it, you can have different modes of things. Next one is tutoring. This tutoring has two phases, like you can tutor online or even on offline. Try nearby kids or coaching centers, or help friends who is lagging behind. You can charge some amount for them, and you can tutor what you are good at. Okay, and the next one is drop shipping. Do you ever heard of drop shipping? Yes, this is the trending earning way for many work from home options. Okay, this is really good. Let us see what is drop shipping now. When a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and it's shipped directly to the customer. Got it? As a result, the merchant never sees the or handles the product. You can run your dropshipping company from a home, office, or even just with a laptop or even with a phone. You can usually do this sort of work anywhere, from even your college, home, anywhere. You can have a massive range of products that you can sell through your drop shipping business. You can even expand the size of the business without any added stresses, expenses in it. Actually, this is the easy thing to do, but you need to know the marketing strategies. That's all you need to know. If you pay a visit to a websites like eBay, you may see many dropshippers at work. Even if you don't realize it, that's true. They can sell everything from high-end electronics to exotic dresses, and even supplements. Everything they will sell with the dropshipping method. You don't really necessary to require a storefront or storage space, or to get a house rented or any commercial business space for this. The biggest difference between drop shipping and the standard retail model is that the selling merchant doesn't stock their products. Instead, the merchant purchases inventories as you need from a third party and usually a wholesaler or manufacturer to fulfill the orders. Got it? What I will explain what is this. If you are a merchant, you are a drop shipping person, you purchase your product from a third party first, and then and you will sell to the retailer. Anyone online or offline, you can sell it to the person with the address. Okay, you just give this order to the third party and then you can earn the margins on it. This is all about drop shipping. If you really interested in doing the business, this is the good way for a student to start with a zero investment. Drop shipping really needs nothing. Okay, zero investment. So it's easy for anyone to do this business. Next one is the event management or birthday records. You can join any event management company for the part-time if you love decors, birthdays and parties. Generally, these have specific times like sometimes in the evenings or something. So you have to choose wisely. That you have to be clear with your college timings with the management company, event management company. Then you can have a record when to work. Okay, this is another one. Next is part-time jobs which are related to your study area. Yeah, if you are a pharma student, you can work at different pharmacies for 3 hours or even in other pharma sector for 3 hours in the evening. This will give you benefits like money. Second one is more knowledge on the subject than others. Third one, this will help you build your resume strong. And the fourth one is building professional network. In turn, this helps you to get a job search easily. Okay, this will give you money, knowledge, resume building, and also this will build your professional network. All this will help you in your future. So this is a must try part-time job for all the students. You have to select a part-time job in your field. Okay, then this will help you in many ways. So try consider any study related part-time jobs. Where do you know where to search these? Yeah, you can ask your college if they have any openings, and then even the colleges and the universities itself have part-time jobs there. So you can ask them. You can inquire in your college first and then try reaching your seniors. They have some contacts and you can even work for the pharmacies like corporate things like MedPlus, Apollo, and then you can try for medical transcriptions. And in some industries, pharma industries, they'll have a shift jobs, so that if you are in a place where you can have the accessibility for industries, you can even try the 2 to 3 hours job in industries. This will help you more in your future, and also you can participate in seminars, conferences, so that you can get some leads about these jobs. This is all about the part-time jobs in your office. Is the good and best idea as per my knowledge. And if you wanna do something else, let's go discuss some other things also. Okay, if you are a phone person, okay, or a laptop person, then this will be good for you. Let me tell you what is it all about. It's about social media management. Yes, this no one will reveal it for you, so listen carefully. You can create Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Insta followers and Twitter followers. Okay, this will help you earn. Do you think am I joking? No. All you need to do is just listen now and do what I say. First, choose a topic. Then create these pages. even any pages in social media, okay, and then put regular content in it. And next is to build your audience. Okay, build your audience, your followers or your likes and subscribers, anything from there. Do you wonder how to earn from this? Let me tell you, there are many ways to earn from this. First one, you can do paid promotions from your pages or groups, okay? Second one, you can sell the products. Yes, you can sell any product and get the profits. Next, you can even sell your pages. Yes, how much you will earn in this? Do you know the earnings depend on your topic you create and the number of followers you have? For each paid promotion, you can charge 500 rupees to 5000 rupees per post. If you sell products, you can earn any amount depending on the product, affiliate marketing, anything you can do it. And if you sell your own page, depending on the number of followers you have, you can earn 15,000 to 2 lakhs per page or a group. Yes, this is a big amount, but still it will take time, but you don't need to invest anything, but you need to invest the time here. This is the most thing nobody wants to tell you, but I want to help the students, so you can do anything in this Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Instagram followers, Twitter, anything you can do it and earn from the social media. Okay, next is Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Do you know what are these? These are some websites. You can go to these websites and register the sites and then check what jobs are available and choose which jobs you can do it and then ping the employer. Get the work done and get payment. That's all. This website has different types of jobs where you can do online. According to the skills you have, you can post gigs and services. These people will give you directly contact you on those websites for their work. You can work around 3 hours on this per day to get a decent amount at the end of the month. This can be a good part-time or we can say passive income for the students. Next idea I have is doing your YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube won't charge you anything for your uploading videos. You can grow a channel, earn from promotions and Google Ads. I know this will work out for sure because I know a 12-year kid who is earning 2 lakh per month, not per annum, per month through the YouTube channel. I never think that it was possible before that, but it is true that you have to know that commitment and consistencies are the key to success in YouTube. Okay, next best idea for the students who are interested and a little creative. Okay, this is the best way to earn for them as a part-time. Yes, let me tell you, it's about video editing, or you can say video selling, photo editing, or pic selling. Yes, it is very easy to learn video editing in this new era. You can use many free softwares to do the editing and many YouTube videos to learn editing. There are many YouTubers and many websites looking to purchase videos and looking for video editors for their videos. You can create a video or even sell them, or you can edit their videos. Got it? Photoshop is a software to edit the photos. You can even sell a good picture on a few websites and even edit the photos on Photoshop or anything and you can sell them. Each video you may get from 200 rupees to 2000 rupees depending on the type of video and the video quality and the person you are selling to. You can check many forums and Facebook pages who are looking for videos or editing and directly contact them to get the job. Got it? I think this is one of the good and easy ways, because many of us have this smartphones good. And also we have a good creative video editing skills, as we have many video editing apps here now. So this will look a good one for you. And let us see some other things which are good for us, like virtual assistants. Do you ever wonder what is virtual assistants? You may wonder that virtual assistant is nothing but online form of personal assistant. Yes, people will hire virtual assistant to check their mails, collaborate their meetings, and to manage their social media profiles or like Twitter, Facebooks, and others. The salary will depend on the person that you are that is hiring you, and it may vary from 10,000 to 40,000 per month, depending on the work, person, and also place of the person. If the person who hired you belongs to US, then you get in dollars, so it will be definitely more. Okay, this is one of the best option. There will be many Facebook groups and many videos to learn this virtual assistant things. And there are many ways to earn for the students, but now this is whole I wrap it up. But in the next video I'll tell you some more secret ideas for the students to earn, like blogging, affiliate marketing, Swiggy, gift wrapping, audio transcriptions, voiceover artists, and web developments, and reselling things, and many more interesting topics. So you need to check out for the next part to get the whole idea of this, and keep waiting for my second part of this video. And if you have any other good ideas, please comment us below in the comment section, so that I can add few of them in my next video. And also if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And also if you need some specific topic from this, I can do a special video for you as per your request. Okay, if you like this video, please click the like button, and also notification bell icon, so that any new good videos will reach you fast from us. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.